Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you a 2007 Harley-Davidson Dyna Super Glide. This is the FXD, comes with a 96-inch motor, 6-speed transmission, the beautiful red color, lots of metallic. It's got the gray motor, aftermarket exhaust, or slip-on mufflers actually, sounds really nice. It's got forward mount foot controls with the upgraded Harley-Davidson pedals and pegs. It's got the matching passenger pegs there. Bike's been upgraded with a smoke lens cover on the back. It's got excellent tires on it, front and rear. Spoke mag rims. It's got axle nut covers, chrome lower belt guard. It's got a few nice little upgrades on it. Upgraded hand grips. I like the dash on this bike with the fuel gauge there. It's only got 10,619 miles. Runs great. It's also been upgraded with this sundowner seat. It's a very comfortable seat, and it looks like they added some mini apes like those that came on the earlier Dyna wide glides. So with the forward mount controls and the mini apes and the sundowner seat, this bike really feels nice. Very, very comfortable. It'll be comfortable for your passenger as well. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or go online and see our complete inventory of good quality used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike was gone through our service department, serviced and safety checked and inspected, and it's ready for the road. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'll be really easy to get this one to you. I didn't see anything on the bike. Let me see. Let me look back here. Just make sure. There was a couple of little rubs. I don't know if you can see that. And then right here, it's just a little bit of a rub there. But this bike is in fine condition. Give us a call, toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino, the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.